Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be slightly different from the type of content that I put out here, but still very relevant to the audience currently watching my videos. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can open a business bank account for your online business. I really wanted to touch base on this topic because so many people are starting online businesses and using their personal account to fund their businesses, and all the transactions are going through their personal account. So I really wanted to touch base on this topic today because it's really important for you as a business owner to have a business bank account that separates you from your personal assets. Okay, now a quick disclaimer: I am not a legal professional or a tax advisor or an accountant or whatever the case may be. I'm only sharing this experience based on my own strategies that I've personally used and what has worked for my business. So this is based on my own experience and strategies that have worked in my business and hopefully are going to help you get the ball rolling as well. But if in doubt, speak to someone of legal standing in your state because these rules are obviously going to differ with every state. Okay, so now we got that out of the way, let's talk about how to set up your business bank account. So when you're starting an online business, I do recommend that you guys get your business account as soon as possible. Okay, don't wait until you're making profits in your business to open your business account. You can actually get started right away with your business account and start using the money from your business to fund your online business. That way you're able to start getting those transactions and that footprint, which can also help you in the future to build your business credit. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to start off by registering your business with your state. So at the end of the day, you are running a business, guys. For you to open a business account, you need to have an actual business that is registered with the government. So I always recommend that you register a limited company if you are in the UK, or register for an LLC if you guys are based in the United States and in other parts of the world. The reason why I strongly recommend that you register your business as a limited company or an LLC is because it's going to separate you from your personal assets. So if something was to go wrong with your business, bailiffs don't have the right to come and repossess your personal assets, right? Because it's a separate legal entity. So your business essentially becomes a separate entity from your personal assets. So they can't come to your house and repossess your TV or repossess your personal car to offset any business debt. Okay, so by having a limited company or an LLC, you're now able to separate your company from your personal assets. Think of it as a separate individual, right? And this is why it's called a separate legal entity. So register as an LLC or as a limited company, guys. It's so easy to do this. You can do this for free. Okay, now if you guys are based in the United Kingdom, then you can do this via Companies House, or you can check out the irs.gov if you're based in the United States. Okay, so there's a lot of companies that will charge you to help you set up your company, but to be honest, you can do this thing yourself for free. If you just do some research on Google, just depending on your state, how to set up a limited company in, Georgia, how to set up a limited company in California, wherever you're based, guys, you should be able to get access to your government website, and make sure that you're only doing this through a government website. Okay, once you have your limited company registered, guys, you're going to be able to get access to your documents. So this is going to be your certificates of incorporation, just confirming that you are now a registered business. Okay, this is your LLC, this is the registration number and things of that nature. So once you've registered your company, the next thing you want to do is you want to find a bank. Now, to do this, I always recommend that you look into the banks that you currently use right now, because you are already an existing customer. It's going to be very easy for you to register for a business bank account. That's pretty much what I did. I just went ahead and I just registered for a business bank account with the bank that I currently use right now for my personal account, and it was just easier because a lot of the data was already within my account. So if you log into your online banking, guys, with most banks, there's an option for you to actually go on and register for a business account separately, and it's just easier that way, guys, because they already have your data. You don't have to go through the process of actually completing so many different forms. They already have your information within their system, and they also know you as an existing customer. It's just going to be very easy for you to open a bank account with a bank that you are already a customer with, okay, versus a completely new bank where you now have to go through all the different processes and things of that nature. Okay, so I recommend you start with the bank that you currently use right now, and then find out from them, or you can pick up a call and just ask them, I've just started a business, I've got my company registered, how do I get access to a business bank account? They're probably going to book an appointment for you to come in with your documents, or just do it virtually. A lot of banks are now very advanced, so most of those things are happening online. I never actually went for a single appointment, guys. I opened my business bank account maybe around 6-7 years ago, so it's probably even more sophisticated now, and even at that time I didn't have to go into an actual branch for an appointment. They just called me up to confirm some information that I'd completed on the application form, and got my account approved that way. So the most important document that you would need, guys, is of course your business registration document or your certification of incorporation, depending on how you've registered your business. So whatever document was issued to you by the government when you registered your business, you are going to be using that to register for your business account. You probably need some documentation as well, just confirming your identity, such as a passport or a driver's license. Okay, again, another thing I recommend when you're looking into banks is also to go with the options that are interest free. Okay, because remember, if you're just getting started with your business, you don't want to be paying monthly expenses, right, for a business that you've just started, right? We're trying to cut down expenses as much as possible and then make as much money as possible, especially when just getting started with your business. Okay, when you find a bank, guys, and you register for your business account, then of course what you want to do is you want to deposit some money. Most banks require you to deposit some funds to open your bank account. So this can be as little as $50, $100, just depends on what the bank's terms are, of course. Okay, so if they want you to deposit at least $100, then you need to deposit that as your investment, as capital for your business. And then moving forward, guys, what you want to be doing is you want to be using your business account. Okay, this is very important. You want to be using your business account to fund all your expenses in your business, guys. I'm talking about, like, if you want to buy some stationery, you want to buy a notebook that you're going to be journaling your ideas in, you want to buy a pen, use that business account, because the goal is to get as many transactions going on in your account as possible. So why do we need this? Not only is it great for separating your business account from your personal account, not only is it also good for bookkeeping, and you can actually account for all these transactions as expenses, which means you get to pay less tax at the end of the year. And here's the third part and the most important part, guys. When you start getting those transactions happening in your account, now you can easily get a business credit card. Okay, this is when you're taking your business to the next level, guys, right? Now that you have all these activities happening in your business, you can now go and apply for a business credit card. I applied for a business credit card with Capital on tap. They're actually amazing based on my experience, but I do recommend that you do some research and then go with what resonates with you guys. You can easily get a business credit card, guys, and then now you're using your business credit to fund your business, to fund all the activities that are happening in your business. Okay, this is some tea for you guys. So you're not actually taking money out of your pocket. Now you're using your business credit card to fund your business travel, to fund your expenses, your inventory, your web design, your marketing, your Facebook ads. I use my business credit card for all my Facebook ads, guys, and I can write this off as expenses at the end of the year. That's the beauty about having business credit, right? And this is why it's so important to have a limited company, guys, because now you can use that to build business credit. You can't do this by being a sole proprietor or being self-employed. You need to register for a limited company, because now not only do you have your personal credit card, you also have business credit, and this is actually a separate legal entity from your personal assets. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.